Madam Speaker, Government is providing an increased marketing grant of $33.6 million to Tourism Fiji for direct marketing costs and rebranding. This grant to Tourism Fiji over the years has paid handsome dividends in promoting Fiji as a tourism destination. One of the most important markets for tourist destinations, Madam Speaker, one of the most important markets for tourist destinations is what is called as the MICE market, which stands for Meetings, Incentives, Conferences and Exhibition. We want to compete in that market in a very substantive manner. And FNP's future convention centre in Momi Bay will provide us a facility to host large groups like the Asian Development Bank annual meeting in 2019. Fiji will be the first Pacific Island country to host this event, which had 5,000 participants in Yokohama this year. We have allocated, Madam Speaker, $4 million in the budget for preparatory works for the hosting of the convention under Head 50. Madam Speaker, the FNPF will build a state-of-the-art modern-day convention centre with a capacity of 4,000 at a cost of $90 million. Of course, Madam Speaker, this new facility would be able to host major domestic, regional and international events, including sporting events, including music concerts. To complement this investment, Madam Speaker, Government has decided to grant an exclusive casino licence to the FNPF to construct a new casino near the convention centre that will draw tourists and convention visitors. The casino would then support the members of the fund, and the FNPF will further diversify its portfolio and pull in higher returns for its 340,000 members, the ordinary workers of Fiji, Madam Speaker.